Hi, welcome to Jurex Nurse's Legal Nurse Consultant episodes. I'm your host, Elizabeth Rudolph. I'm an attorney, I'm a nurse just like you, and a professional legal nurse consultant. Be sure you hit the subscribe button below so you never miss another episode. Today we're going to talk about a day in the life of a trial attorney and how you as a professional legal nurse consultant can help. Have you ever wondered what trial attorneys do on a day in and day out basis? Are they really billing their clients for every minute of every day? Have you thought about how you as a PLNC can help and earn money for it? Just think about this. Regardless of whether the attorney is working for the plaintiff, that is to say the person suing, or the defendant, the person getting sued, there are a lot of common tasks that attorneys work on that you could assist with. Let's go through 5 of the daily tasks that attorneys work on and how you as a PLNC can help. Number 1, attorneys must communicate with their clients. Well, let's face it, we all get busy and we have other things to do, but that's no excuse for not communicating with the clients. This is where you as a professional legal nurse consultant step in. You can write, you can draft, that's another way of saying write. You can send emails, you can send letters, you can write phone scripts, and you can put together certain other documents under the auspices of an attorney. And then the attorney can transmit those things that you've just worked on to their clients. So especially if you think about it from the perspective of a client, the attorney's client. If you were the client, you would want to stay in close communication with your attorney. So that's where you can help as a PLNC. Number 2, attorneys often represent their clients in court. Behind the scenes, attorneys have to gather all kinds of information, such as preparing questions that the attorney might ask of a witness or might ask of any other witnesses in cases or other parties as the case may be. After all, you've reviewed the medical records. You're in the best position to know what the attorney ought to be briefed on when going to court. Number 3, attorneys talk with opposing counsel. So no attorney wants to be unprepared. Behind the scenes, you can help attorneys by thoroughly preparing them in advance about the medical records that you just reviewed. You could anticipate questions and comments and even statements that you think that the attorney might need in order to talk with opposing counsel. So have the medical records handy so you can work off of them. Number 4, attorneys gather evidence. Oh gosh, in your capacity as a PLNC, there are all kinds of things you can do behind the scenes to help gather evidence under the auspices of an attorney. So maybe there are valuable photographs, or maybe there's video or social media that you could access. Those are all kinds of ways that you can help gather information and evidence that the attorney can use. And this tangible evidence is essential in cases, particularly when attorneys present the evidence in court and either the judge or the jury or both make judgments about what's presented in court by seeing this tangible evidence. Number 5, attorneys supervise legal assistants and others. So you know as a team player in nursing how important it is to go along to get along. That's the same thing in a law office. It's working with the office staff. It's working with the paralegals and other assistants. That also helps you form friendships, but really even more importantly is to help clients with their cases. So working with others on the team, on the legal team, is very important ultimately for clients of these attorneys. Knowing in advance the tasks and the duties and the responsibilities of attorneys can make you more valuable because you can find your niche and find ways to help attorneys in their jobs. So let's review the 5 daily tasks that attorneys perform and how you can help as a PLNC. Number 1, attorneys communicate with their clients. Number 2, attorneys often represent their clients in court. Number 3, attorneys talk with opposing counsel. Number 4, attorneys gather evidence. And number 5, attorneys supervise legal assistants and others in the cases. All right, that's a wrap for today. Would you do me a favor and be sure that you subscribe below, send this to your friends, let them know about this, and in any way that I can help you, please feel free to email us by going to our website at jurexnurse.com. Thank you, and make it a great day.